Fox 13's Scott McCain has that story.
The inventors of this new retinal scanning technology claim it can weed out liars in a matter of minutes. This cutting-edge technology was developed by University of Utah psychologists and psychiatrists. It's being introduced into the marketplace by local venture capitalists. There's an old saying that the eyes are windows to a person's soul, and that the truth can be found there.
A lot of people believe that you can tell when someone's lying by looking at their eyes.
Brian Kuhlman is a University of Utah research assistant on a team that developed what's called Ocular Motor Deception Detection Software, or OMDD.
We just look at what their eyes are doing, how big their pupil is, when they're asked certain questions. We call it cognitive load. It takes more effort to lie.
He showed us how it works on another lab assistant.
The software automatically tracks the pupil with this green circle here.
Pooja Patnaik is then asked a series of questions associated with a college scholarship application.
We have a infrared light shining on the eye, so it actually illuminates the iris more than the pupil, so it will always be able to track the pupil.
Then Pooja is asked some random questions with wrong answers, all with the mini camera locked in.
It's taking a picture of her eyeballs 60 times every second.
The tracking results are instantaneous.
We call those fixation dots. Those are where her eye paused for a second. This will track where she's looking. Pooja, can you look left? And then look right?
After 5 years in the lab, investors are ready to take OMDD into the marketplace.
The technology is for sure intriguing, and the application is huge.
It's a real fast technology. We see it eventually being deployed internationally.
So it's going to be placed in other settings where you need to get a quick snapshot of how credible is this person. Do we trust this person to board the plane? Do we trust this person to have this job?
The average polygraph takes 3 hours. We can do our test in 25 minutes.
OMDD's first big test is set for next month in South America.
We're taking that down to Colombia. We're setting it up at a company in